Hi, everyone. Welcome to the demo of the AI pricing calculator where you can find your perfect price in seconds. I'm going to read you what this does real quick, and I'm going to give you a quick demo, show you how to use this tool. It's super easy to use, and you're going to be able to access this tool by clicking the link below in the video description box. So with that being said, welcome to my AI product pricing calculator where you can unlock your perfect price in seconds. You can discover the exact price point that maximizes your margins and wins customers, all without guesswork. Just tell the AI product pricing calculator your niche, product type, cost, and competitor data, and instantly get back a one-line sweet spot price summary, 3 psychology-backed pricing tiers, a clear margin check after, and an elasticity warning, a step-by-step A/B test blueprint, and a friendly next step tip, plus our personal recommendations. So with that being said, if you're ready to price like a pro, we're going to get into this, and I'm going to show you how to use this real quick. So you got 6 boxes here real quick. You got niche, product type, currency, cost per unit, competitor's average price, and current price. So what you're going to do is select your niche here. And we're just going to pick digital marketing for this one. But you got all these different niches, as you can see, you can pick from. So you're not going to run out of niches. And if your niche happens to not be on here, just select other and you're good to go. So we're going to pick digital marketing. The product type, we're going to say we're selling a digital course. Currency, you got US dollar, euro, British pound, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, or Indian rupee, etc. We're going to use the United States dollar. And I'm going to put in for cost per unit. Obviously, that's going to be whatever it is, the cost is per unit. You're going to put that in right here. And competitor average price, whatever your competitors are charging for a similar product, you're putting it right there. And then what you're charging right now. And this means cost per unit, how much it costs you to make the product. That's what you're going to put into this box. So we got the competitor average price and the current price. And here's our AI smart answer here. And one more thing I want to add to this. There's going to be a box down here. The AI filled it out already. You've probably seen it already, but there's a submit box. You don't even have to hit that. You can click the left keypad on your mouse, and it'll automatically populate. And if you want to switch boxes, change something up, this automatically repopulates. You can change like the boxes if you have a price in that you put in wrong, you can change that, and it's going to rethink. Down here's a submit box. It'll do the thinking mode, then it'll repopulate whatever new answers that you give. And if you want to refresh the page, start all over from scratch, just click this blue refresh the page button. There's top 10 facts for AI product pricing calculator. My recommendation right here to help your business out. Tells you how to use this tool. Obviously, this video is showing you that as well. Super easy. And here's our answer. Sure thing. Here's your pricing analysis tailored for your digital marketing course. Snapshot. Great news. Your sweet spot price is $1,650. So you're maximizing both margin and value. Margin check. Minimum viable cost times 1.3 equals $1,950. Break-even cost equals $1,500. Pricing tiers. And they got the good, better, best. $1,400, it says, aligns with current pricing and it's competitive. Better's $1,650. Maximizes value while remaining attractive to buyers. Best, $1,800. Premium positioning that reflects high quality. Next, you got number 4, optimization recommendation. Set it at $1,650, which is, and then it gives you the math on that, 18% versus current, and it gives you all the math on that. How I came up with that answer. Elasticity reminder. Don't go above 1,200. 20% over competitors or below 1,650. Cost times 1.1 to avoid volume loss. Implementation blueprint. Quick A/B test plan. Run 2 variants at your better and optimal prices for 1 to 2 weeks with 500 visitors each. Promotion idea. Highlight the new price in your next email campaign subject line. New pricing alert. Digital course now at $1,650. Monitoring tip. Track conversion rate and revenue per visitor daily to spot trends early. Happy pricing and gives you a sound off. Cheers from your AI pricing pal. So Smart AI Answers. This is an excellent tool if you're looking how to do product pricing for your product. This is a great tool. It's going to help you out. So all you do is it takes literally seconds. And like I said, niche, product type, currency, cost per unit, competitor average price, current price. You just fill out these boxes real quick. Takes a few seconds. Your AI will spit out an answer for you based on your inputs. And if you want to change something, like I said, you can change this to 1400. Let me show you real quick. And the AI is going to think at the bottom. You can see it's thinking right now. It's refreshing the data here, the output. And now it's going to come up with your new data. So you don't even got to refresh the page. So you can do that as well. And if you want to refresh the whole page, under how to use this tool, there's a refresh page button right here. Click that, and you can start all over from scratch. But excellent tool if you want to check it out. The link's directly below in the video description box. And if you want 20 secret AI tools top marketers don't want you to have, the link to that is going to be directly below and on my site here where you can find the AI product pricing calculator. Thanks for watching this tutorial video. I appreciate it. If you liked it, if it was helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or comments, shoot them down below in the comment section, and I'll be happy to answer them best I can. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.